Sorry. Good morning, guys. It is very early. I think it's like 7:30, and on a Sunday, 7:30 on a Sunday, because we chose not to sleep in, but to go to this French bakery that is giving away free croissants. We actually went yesterday, and we ended up getting just one pastry and sharing between us, but they told us that they were celebrating being around for a while. I don't remember how long, but anyways, they're giving away croissants, which are my favorites, as you know. So we're gonna go. I'm excited to go. I hope that we can get a croissant and enjoy it. We're gonna take some coffee, and let me show you my outfit of the day. It's super cute. This is like a light tan denim jacket that I've had for a while. It's not really cold outside, but I think it's like 60 something, 70s. And I might be chilly, so I put it on just in case. I'm wearing my gold necklace from Free People, which is actually linked on my link tree. So if you guys go to my shop style, you'll see it. You can shop all my outfits and all the things that I'm wearing. And this necklace is actually on that list. I'm also wearing these older golden hoops, this Majorelle white dress that I got from Revolve a long time ago. This is the cropped top. I can't link this because this is from a Colombian store. And then the Majorelle dress is actually adorable. It's super cute. And it's long too. And as you can see, the necklace just fits so perfectly. Here, and these are the shoes. Ready to go. Whenever my man is ready. So the pain au chocolat was delicious. The cinnamon roll was
very good.
And I had a bite of my mini croissant, and the rest is in the bag for later, or for breakfast, or for tomorrow. They're not good for tomorrow. You have to eat them.
Yeah.
If you don't eat them on the same day, then they get really hard. So we're just enjoying our coffee, sitting out here. It is so cute. They're playing like French music, and they have just a beautiful little outdoor space. And there's nobody here, so it's even nicer. Look how cute. They have wall murals. It's just, the whole place is just adorable. Sorry. It is gorgeous out. I definitely want to go on a walk. It's absolutely pretty. I don't know what. I'm trying something new with my hair, and now that I see it on camera, I don't think I like it. So I'll fix my hair in a little bit. But we are on our way to Publix because we need to go get some stuff that we don't have. Groceries. And I changed into different shoes because I really wanted to wear these clear ones from Steve Madden. And let me know if you have any clear, kind of like PVC-esque, plasticky shoes. And if they like get like weirdly foggy, like I was trying to clean them and they looked really strange. They look a lot better. They look a lot better now, but I was like, what is happening? So, Lord. I squatted, how much did I squat again, my love? 245 pounds. I weigh 116 pounds. So I'm like way over my, that I just 2x'd my squat.
That's strong.
How are we doing? Good?
The lens look good?